this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website here, this click to call and this form here, that really helps with your conversions. So that is super good to have. One thing that I would recommend is adding some more content to this homepage. The reason is Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're looking through this content that you have on your website, seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. So you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And here's an example of a keyword, foundation repair Dallas. And when your customers search this here, the first thing that pops up are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Pack section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp, as well as 5-star reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. So it is very important to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. And so let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword, Brown Foundation Repair. They also have some good click to call buttons as well, but it looks like you're already beating them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. I have Brown Foundation Repair plugged in first to Ahrefs. And we're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 36 and 6 coming from their 2.16 thousand backlinks, coming from 205 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to be intentional when you are selecting backlinks because there are high quality ones that will boost these numbers and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. And Brown Foundation Repair has 527 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged into Ahrefs as well, and you all have 11 and 0. And what's making up your ratings here are the 27 backlinks that you have coming from 15 referring domains, and you all have 0 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers here. The way that you do that is get more high quality backlinks, as well as add good buyer intent keywords to your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go into these backlinks here that Brown Foundation Repair has, and you would link them to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of their keywords that they have. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Foundation Repair Dallas TX, 100. And this list just keeps going of people that are searching for the service that you provide in the area that you service. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would need that Google business profile ranking, so add some more citations there, as well as getting your website ranking higher. You would need to have some more trust and authority, so picking some high quality backlinks there. And then add that content and those buyer intent keywords. And so I really hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you. So if you'll give me a call and let me know if this was helpful or not. and then I'll let you know the joke of the day. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.